we're using the Frogotter education system, and today we're doing N021 times table hunt. My special guest is, eerily silent. My special guest is a white tiger. Okay.
Cats are stuff.
Now the equipment we need for this one, are you listening? The equipment we need is the number square and the counters. Okay, I'm going to tip the counters out here so they're just on the edge. Okay. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn about the 2 times table. So if you could put a counter on 2 and a counter on 4. It doesn't matter, we can use any colours we like. Brilliant. Okay, now continue putting your counters down. Continue putting your counters down. No, not those particular ones. Continue putting down more counters until the 2 times table is entirely covered. Can you see the pattern?
Entirely?
Yes, we're going to cover the whole 2 times table. So if you could keep going, that would be great. Right, that's not quite right, because 11 isn't in the 2 times table, but 12 is. Good.
Is there any special trick with the 2 times table?
Well, the aim of this particular activity is to lay it out so we can see the 2 times table, and then you should be able to find a trick to it. But to begin with, all we have to do is, if you could maybe lift your elbow so you don't keep pulling it, that would be great. I'm dropping them. Okay, the first way to do the 2 times table is you just,
14, 16,
white tiger, we go skip 1, place 1, skip 1, place 1, okay? Because we're just going 1, 2, and we put a counter down on every 2, okay? No, what are you doing?
I'm going to make a row of each colour.
A column of each colour, you mean?
Column of each.
Well, I don't know if that's how the colours will work out, but I'd really like it if you got the counters down. I don't know if you'll necessarily be able to make a column of each colour, but we'll see how we go, shall we? So a yellow one. Mm-hmm. Red. Yellow. Blue. You're really getting very quick at placing them now. Are you starting to see a pattern?
Exactly, and I'm using it to build these columns.
Yes, you're starting to see that the 2 times table is coming into. The only thing is you're trying to use twice as many yellows as the other colours, and I don't know if I think you might run out of yellows before we get to the end, but we shall see. I haven't actually counted out how many of each colour we have. I also think that last time we used this we tipped some in the bottom of the box. So I don't think we've got all our counters here. I think we've got enough for this game.
Everybody knows we don't.
Everybody knows we don't what?
Everybody who has watched those two programs in a row.
What, the ones where you threw the counters? Yeah, we're run out of yellows, so probably at the bottom of the box. What are you going to do? Slip down a bit. There we go. What are you going to do, white tiger? Shall we just use different colours?
Nope. Even though that's not going to do it.
Okay, well it's very important that we cover them all. It's not very important that they have a particular colour. Okay. Brilliant. Okay. Right, so we've now covered the entire 2 times table. It says, what pattern do they make?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18,
Yes, I know.
20, 22.
Those are the
21,
numbers.
26,
Can you see a pattern? You did actually talk about this pattern while we were doing it.
They will always come in 4 columns.
That's right. So if you look, they always end in either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Yes? Brilliant. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take a second counter and put it on top of the 4. And then we're going to put another counter, and we're going to put it on top of the 8.
And then another on top of the 6.
No.
Really?
Really, no. We're going to put it on top of the 12. We're going to cover the 4 times table, okay? So 1, 2, 3.
How about we make counters with
4.
red?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good.
That's already a red, so why have we done that?
Could you? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Where does the next one go?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, we have to start with the number. Oh, whoops. Knock them. We start with the one after it. 1, 2. Have a go.
3, 4.
Good. Good. And what's the next one going to be? No, because we're not going in 2s now. We're going in 4s. No, starting with the number starting with the number after.
4.
No, it's here. 3, 4. No, that would be going in 2s, and we're trying to go in 4s. So it's every other counter will have another one on top. Okay, because you're worrying too much about the colours, you're not noticing. Look, there's a one on top of that, so that's not right, is it?
Z.
No.
Z.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good. If you could stop worrying about the colours, you might get your counters in the right places.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So put a counter there. Please don't worry about what colour it is, just put a counter on the right place.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. This one here. 72.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well done. Okay. So now we've got the 4 times table. So let's take off the 2 times table so that we can spot our patterns a bit better. So we take off all the ones in between, don't we? Because the 2 times table slots between the 4 times table. Now, what can you see?
4. I can't see any patterns. Patterns. Wait a minute. It's a tiny bit like the 2 times table in pillars, but a bit.
But there are lots of gaps. That's right, it's like a broken version of the 2 times table, isn't it? And the same ending thing happens, doesn't it? All of the numbers must end in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, mustn't they? None of them end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So none of the numbers that weren't in the 2 times table are in the 4 times table, are they? That's a good spot. Guess what we're going to do now?
Do the 8 times table.
That's right, we are going to do the 8 times table. So what's the first one, do you think, that's going to be in the 8 times table? What's the first number in the 8 times table? 1
8.
times 8. 8. Brilliant. And what's the next one going to be? No, because that would be only 4 from 8. We need to skip one and cover the next pile, don't we? Good. So where will it go next? No, because now you're skipping loads. You skipped 4. Good. 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 $64, well done. 72, well done. 80, well done. 88, well done. 96, well done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm taking every other one off. What am I taking away?
The 4 times table.
I am. I'm taking the 4 times table off the board.
That's the 4.
And now we've got just
like
the 8
two
times table.
Before the die. And 8. And soon it will leave.
What do we notice
Only
about
the
the
16s?
What do we notice about the numbers they end with?
But it's the same thing, isn't it?
What?
2, 4, 6, 8.
And 0. Yep, they all end in 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, but not all of the numbers that end like that, because not every number in the 2 times table is in the 8 times table, that's right.
There's more.
So now the columns have quite big gaps in, don't they? They've got a gap, if you look, the gap is 3, so every 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there it is again, 1, 2, 3, 4, there it is again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 times table.
Well, no, it's not the 4 times table. I'm just telling you that the gap, every fourth one this way, and every every 8th one this way, and every 4th one down. This is where we go, which is quite fun. Okay, well done.
So what one is next? So what times table is next?
What we're going to do now is take all of the counters off.
And leave the 1 times.
Oops. I dropped a counter. I should stop dropping them. Okay, what we're going to do now is put down the 3 times table. So can you cover the 3 times table for me?
3, 6, 9.
Mm-hmm.
18's and 3 times.
It is. I thought you were going to do it in order though. You've missed some out. Look.
Next.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You've done 1, 2, 3. Can you keep going?
Plus and 6 on
1, 2, 3. 24. What's the next one?
We shouldn't miss out the 6s or the 9s.
Not every number that ends in a 6 or a 9 is in the 3 times table, I'm afraid. That's not how it works. 1, 2, 3.
Shouldn't 15 be in the 6 times table?
Well, we're doing the 3 times table for now. 1, 2, 3.
I
So
mean the 3 times table.
15 is covered already. 1, 2, 3. So we can...
Yep, in there.
Okay, what else? Where else do they go? How do you know that 51 is in the 3 times table?
If you put an add between all the 2-digit numbers in the 3 times table, they will end in, they will be 3, 6, or 9.
That's true, but you're missing loads of numbers, so you need to get the rest of them.
3, 6, 9, a bottle of
Yep, but let's try and get the rest of the 3 times table as quickly as you can for me, because I'm worried that this isn't very fun to watch. So where else? Okay, you're...
Got it.
Okay.
Go 9.
Could you just count now and go 1, 2, 3 so that we get the whole thing done, please?
1, 2, 3.
Yep, and then keep going so that we've got all of the 3 times
1,
table.
2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Okay, you're knocking them, so be a bit more careful or it's going to make quite a mess.
1, 2, 3.
No, because after 40 comes 41, not 51. No, 1, 2, 3. No, oh blimey. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you've covered that one already because we're not doing it
1,
on.
2, 3.
Yep, so next one.
1, 2, 3.
Good,
1, 2, 3.
good, keep going.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good,
1, 2, 3.
good,
1, 2, 3.
good.
1, 1, 2, 3.
Yep. Mhm. 69, good. What's next? 72, well done. 75, well done. No, not 77. 78, that's the one. No, not 80. 81, good. What's next? No, not 83. 84, good. 88 is not in the 3 times table. 87 is in the 3 times table. 92 is not in the 3 times table. No, 91 isn't in the 3 times table. 93 is in the 3 times table. 96 is in the 3 times table. And 99. Well done. So what we've got is the 3 times table. Let's have a look then. Okay, so what have you got?
Slanted line.
You have! Diagonal line! Is that worth doing?
Look, all of these used to be coloured, and then somebody cut off all the colours.
It's like it's been scratched, hasn't it? Diagonal lines right across. Yep, 3 times table diagonal lines. Can we get the 6 times table now? So it's going to start with 6. Good. And if we just use every other counter, then we know. So not that one, but that one, 12. What would the next one be? 18. Oh. Not that one, 24. 30, good. 36, good. No. 42, good. Not 45. 48, well done. 54, well done. 60, good. Not 63. 66, well done. Not 69. 72, well done. 78, well done. No. 84, well done. 90, well done. 96. Okay, so now we're going to take the 3 times table away. Here we go. Let's remove our 3 times table.
Somebody just cut it again.
Now, if you look, you've got actually quite a nice diagonal coming the other way this time. I'm quite pleased with this one. What do you think?
Nice. Like somebody's cut another way.
It does. It does. Oh, I see. You're thinking it looks like someone scratched it the other way round this time. It does. Yes, the diagonal is going the other way because we're skipping them. Well done. Okay, so we've got the 6 times table. That's really good. Now we've done 6 times table. Okay, nearly there. Hopefully this is a quick one because you know this times table, I think. Can you do the 5 times table for me? If you were doing this with a child who was less familiar with numbers, you probably wouldn't keep going. 1 times table, maybe 2 would be enough, so you might have stopped after 4. But my white tiger has done quite a lot of games with times tables before, so we're happy to keep going. Can you get the 5 times table down for me? I was kind of hoping you'd be quick with the counters rather than the dance. Could you get the counters down for the 5 times table as quickly as possible? Are you stuck? 'Cause you've missed out 20, which is 5 times table.
I'm stuck.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I dropped it. I thought you were going to put it down for me. Okay. That's it. What's next? Can you do them without counting?
Another 5.
That's right.
Another 0.
That's right.
Another 5.
That's right.
And then another 0.
That's right.
Another 5.
Well done.
And then another 0.
That's right.
Another 5.
Yep.
And then another 0.
Okay, it's going to sound really obvious, but where's the pattern now?
5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 0, 0, 0.
That's right.
0.
All the numbers that end in 5 or 0, okay?
Yep.
Are you ready? Can you take me a second counter and lay it on top for the 10 times table, please?
Actually, that's the 10 times.
Oh, well done! What's the pattern there?
It's pretty obvious. 0, 0, 0.
Well done, that's really good.
It's
Single
going to
column
carry
of the 10
on,
times table. Well
actually.
done.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Okay. Now, I would like you to do the 11 times table for me. Can you do that? There's a beautiful pattern for the 11 times
Oh,
table.
I
Can you
love
get that
that.
done?
Oh, I love that one.
Okay, let's get the 11 times table done.
The only thing we'll be able to show here is the pattern.
You missed
I know.
one. You missed one. Well done. And what have we got for the 11 times table?
You just double every single one until
You double the digits, that's right. And we've got a single diagonal line, haven't we? Yeah? Can you see that? One single diagonal line. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, careful. Okay, that's really good. Now what I'd like to do, you ready for this? I'd like you to pick a colour. I'm going to use, I don't know why you're scratching the board. Maybe don't, okay, let go. That's it. Right, could you pick a colour? What colour have you picked? You've picked yellow, okay. Well, in that case, I'll have red. Now, we're just going to speed this up for the camera. So if you could do me a favour, could you lay out the 3 times table in yellow? And I will lay out the 4 times table in red. Okay, ready?
Wait a moment. Am I going to do
The 3 times table. So 5 isn't in the 3 times table, is it? There we go. Good.
Wait. I think
Oh, you're... Okay. What I'd like you to do is not move the mat with your elbows, but lay out the 3 times table for me. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, 3 times table, that's right. You're doing the 3 times table. Try to ignore what I'm doing, because I'm just doing it to make this very slightly quicker.
Wait a moment.
Oh no, I ran out of counters. I'm going to switch to blue. Keep going.
Some of your ones are my ones.
That is true. I'd like to get your table out as quickly as you can. Brilliant. There we go. So, how are you doing with your 3 times table? Okay. You're meant to be doing the 3 times table. Let's not jump about. Let's keep counting. So 1, 2, 3. You missed this one. Could you keep going? Could you do the counting, please? So no.
90 is obviously in the
I don't want you doing that. I want you to go 1, 2, 3 because otherwise you're going to miss some. Okay. Could you count them? 1, 2, 3. Good. Keep going.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Well done.
I've already got.
Oh yeah. Hee hee.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Nope. Because after 40 we go on to the 41 line, don't we? Not the 31 line. So 1, 2, 3. Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good. We're nearly out for yours.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
We already did that one.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good.
1, 2, 3.
Good. 69.
1, 2, 3.
What? 1, 2, 3. 72 is in the 3 times table.
1, 2, 3.
75.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
81, not 71.
1, 2, 3.
84.
1, 2, 3.
87.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you've already covered 90.
1, 2, 3.
93.
1, 2, 3.
96.
1, 2, 3.
99. Okay.
That's it.
Now, if you look very closely, you'll see we've got some intersection points. So what I'd like to do now is remove all the single counters. Be very careful. Maybe if you drag them, there's a risk you're going to move some of the doubles as well. So move just the singles for me, please. Could you lift them up? Okay, I'm going to move these that you put on the way here. That's it, because I don't want you to knock over any of the piles of 2, okay? Just remove any single, no, picking up.
Singles.
Picking up, please.
I have your singles.
Okay. Yeah, so you know how I said that if you dragged them.
You have to be married.
Okay, do you understand? You know how I said if you dragged them, you were gonna pick up one of the doubles as well. You did.
Haven't I?
Yes, you picked up 72.
Well, no, we did.
Okay. Right. Now, where the 3 times table and the 4 times table intersect, what times table do you think we've got? It's the 5 times table. It's not. You know what the 5 times table looks like. What do you think it might be?
Very clean cats.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
Have a look at the numbers. Where the 3 times table and the 4 times table intersect, you have the 12 times table. So let's read the 12 times table, shall we?
12 and 24, 36, 2, 48, 60, 72, 84, 9, 16,
96. Well done! And that is indeed the 12 times table. Beautiful.
as well. What?
Right, so we're just going to do one more thing. Do you think you can manage one more? Okay, I'm going to help you with this. Now first, we put a counter on every number that's in the 2 times table. Oh, I dropped one on the floor. Oh.
I'll get it.
Can you manage this last thing? Oh, careful. Okay, do you not want to do the last activity?
Not really.
Okay. All right. So that means that I'll put on my board that we finished at the end of step 5, and we'll do step 6 next time we repeat this activity. Thank you for joining us. I hope that we'll see you again.